citizens of Manila. We were told yesterday by the President, through the Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, to come up with a whole nation approach, confronting the economic situation ng ating bansa due to uncertainty in the Middle East. And measures are being put into their places, and so on and so forth. At masaya ako dahil siyempre yung pakikipagtulungan ng lokal at nasyonal ay nagdudulot ng kabutihan sa kanyang nasasakupan. Immaterial of politics. Iba na hindi magkakakulay. As long as we get into position, we must work hand in hand to protect the interests of our people. Now, having said that, with the same analogy, we're in private sectors doing business in the city of Manila, helping the city government and its people. Kaya nakakatuwa na ang ICTSI sa lahat ng panahon lagi natin kasama. Sa aberya, o ngayon sa sports and extracurricular activities for our kids, particularly yung kanilang mga talento, may pakikita nila. At one way or another, we will continue to lead the region. In the recent Malarong NCR, top-notcher ang Maynila. Kahit hindi na yan, pahirapan ka ng mautis. At least, nakis nyo yung crush nyo. Yeah, I have a story. And this is not just a story. This thing happened. Mario, di mapalapag yan. May portion, takot palapag. May portion, di mapalapag. As you age, you go higher, grade 1 to grade 6, pataas na pataas. So, ako, recess boy. Yung may recess girl, may recess boy. Ang ibig sabihin noon, araw, doon sa ground floor nitong kinatagayuan natin, may canteen. During the recess, there will be volunteers, student volunteers, to go down to the canteen and get the recess tray and soup. The tray for the girls and the soup for the boys. And nobody's allowed, walang pwedeng lumabas ng classroom except those who are authorized na mga mag-aaral. So I always volunteer. Kasi pag GMRC ko yun, sayang din. Ewan ko, o yung mga teacher niya alam yung GMRC, good moral and right conduct. Pag ikaw nagpo-volunteer sa paglilinis, pagbubunot, kung araw nagbubunot kami, nagpo-floor wax kami, tapos nagpo-volunteer ako pagpura ng backboard. Kaya marami akong anhan. O dahil doon sa chok, anong araw. But going back to the story, ibebenta mo yung soup, ibebenta mo yung tray, tapos matututo ka ng mathematics naturally kasi inventory, ang dami na palinda mo, ilan ang lumabas, pagkano per piece, multiply, then i-entrega mo pababa ulit sa canteen. The thing is, there are about 40 students. I have to serve the soup. And soups, usually, dalawa lang naman yan, cold and hot. Pag cold, yan yung mga sopas. Ay, pag hot, mga sopas. Pag cold, yung gulaman. Ilo-ilo. Mangyari ba, naman lahat mabibili, di ba? Siyempre, may mga batang katulad ko, walang baon. Wala kaming baon. Kaya lang, remember yung kwento ko, walang pwedeng lumabas. So, pagsasabi na namin sa kantin, yung mga ataps, hindi naman nauubos yung soup eh. May natitira doon sa aluminum, yung aluminum na tasa. May natitira doon. Di ba wala namang tao? Wala namang tao sa hagdanan. Fifth floor ako, bababa. So what I did is, yung pinag-inuman ng mga kaklase ko, sinasabi ko sa isang klase. Makakabuo ko ng isa. But nobody singing, except yung partner kong estudyante na babae. Kasi sabay kami ba. So, ininom ko yun kasi wala akong bago. Si Miss Villaluz, naalala ko noon, binibigyan pa ako ng piso. Yung araw kasi ang panitaw, 50 centavos. Yung soup, 50 centavos. Yung panitaw ng araw, malaki. So, talagang important ka na. But most of the time, wala ako. So, parang kayo na-invite ko kasi nagmamouthpiece kayo, di ba? Sharing yung mouthpiece. Para kayong may nakaraan mo nagpalitan mo ng mouthpiece. Pero ako, lahat ng kaklase ko na-piece ko na. Nang hindi nila alam. Life is hard. That's the truth. But, you know, as you persevere, mangyari ba, magpupursige ka lang, kabata kayo, malo na. Huwag niyo hahanapin ang isang bagay na wala sa inyo. You have to appreciate what you have already. So anything about that is blessing. So kailangan